Good morning to all. We are in chapter 13 percentage exercise 13 question number 12. A person buys things of rupees 630. The shopkeeper takes only 567 rupees from him. What is the percentage of discount that the person enjoyed? So solution: a person buys things is equal to 630 rupees. Shopkeeper takes money is equal to rupees 567. So discount is equal to rupees 630 minus rupees 567. So this 10 minus 7 3 and this 3 will become 2. 2 minus 6 not happened, it will again borrow to 12 minus 6 and 5 minus 5 0 to rupees 63 is discount. Now we'll find the percent of discount. Person enjoyed the percentage of discount is equal to discount upon total price multiplied by 100. So here discount is how many? 63 rupees. Total price is how many? Rupees 630 multiplied by 100. So 0 0 cancel. Rupees cancel. Now 63 1 ja 63. 63 1 ja 63. So 1 multiplied by 10, 10%. So the answer is the person enjoyed 10% discount. Now question number 13. 75% of a number is 600. Find the number. So solution: let the number be h. According to question, 75% of a number is means equal to 600. So 75 upon 100% we have to convert into fraction, of means multiply. A number we have taken h is equal to 600. Now h is equal to 600. This 100 will go upside and multiply, and this 75 will come downside, means denominator will go in numerator and numerator will go in denominator by cross multiplication. Now 25 3 ja 75, 25 4 ja 100, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 0 ja 0, 3 0 ja 0. So 200 multiplied by 4. So h is equal to 200 multiplied by 4 is equal to 800. So the answer is the number is 800. Now question number 14. A person deposited rupees 5,000 in the bank. After a few years, he got rupees 6,000. What the percent increase his deposit? So solution: a person deposit amount in bank is equal to rupees 5,000. After a few years, he got amount is equal to rupees 6,000. So increase his deposit. We have to find how much increase. So rupees 6,000 minus rupees 5,000. So 1,000 increase. So we have to find percentage increase his deposit is equal to increase deposit upon total deposit multiply by 100. So here how many increase deposit? 1,000. What is the total deposit? 5,000 multiply by 100. So 1,000 1 ja 1,000, 1,000 5 ja 5,000. So 1 multiply by 100, 100 upon 5. To 100 upon 5 how many percent? 20%. Therefore, answer 20% increase his deposit, or his deposit increase 20%. Now today's your homework is question is Syamu bought a book for rupees 50 from a shop. The shopkeeper gave him a discount of 20%. How much did Syamu pay the shopkeeper? To this question do by yourself.